Good shit, Mama. Oh, my sister? That's my brother.
That's your brother?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
That's your sister?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, where'd she go?
To pick up my mom and drop her off to me. And then she's coming back.
She's older than you?
She's 18. Practice.
Another offensive rebound.
You see?
Foul on number 22, Leon Brazo. His first second team foul.
We're doing good with fouls right now. Damn.
Fouls on 15, Brandon Thomas, his first fourth team foul.
He would have made it. That's what they call goaltending, because you can't touch the ball when it's going in. Cheaters. That was good defense.
Fouls on number 4, Nathan Wilson. That's his first to 15 foul.
And one.
Basket counts by Miles Nolan, foul on number 3. 3, Clifton Powell, his first, the 6th team foul. Miller Webb at the line. Six Marius for 3.
You know your mouth? Oh, yeah. I love this when the hecklers. At least I'm using their teeth.
Rebound.
Come on, Pop.
Thomas into out receiving Marius for 2. Don't forget to visit our snack stand. Right adjacent to it is Rita's Ice Cream. At the snack stand, you'll find hot dogs and nachos, all types of beverages, candy and chips.
Make a
If you're hungry, go ahead and stop by and check that out.
Kept missing those layers.
Oh, damn. Do that over there? The little boy said, "They're running out of candy," and the guy said, "They ran out of candy." And then the boy said, "They ran out of candy." He's like, "Yeah, son, it's crazy." And he's like, "Yeah, Dad, it's crazy." Shoot a pop. Yes, you can pull out from up there. Bucket said that. Come on.
Stop jumping.
I love Mom's grandma. You see her? She's just like. Oh, he's hilarious. He said, "Look at that little guard." Killing it. That little guard is getting rebounds. Woo! Let's go, Pablo! Sean Pablo for 3. Somebody daddy up there going crazy. Tell me. player, man. All state. You can't do that. You can't do that. What the hell did we got going? Buckets. Ah, come on, Pop. No, you don't. And oh my gosh. Nice bucket, Bozzy. Damn. Give it to Dom. Give it to Dom.
Foul number 22, Devon Basso. That's his second to third team foul.
One for Miles. Go, best friend. Five.